Happy birthday, Father Alan. Gulat ka, no? So, happy birthday and we are praying for you this day. And we would like to say thank you for all the help na naging katrabaho nyo po ang pastorela. Hindi lang naman po ako, alam ko yon. So, marami na po kayong nakasamang pastorela and we really appreciate being one of our collaborator. Actually, ikaw po ang una kong ka-collaborate sa pastorela and I am very happy po. So, thank you po for that, for our number one supporter. But for me, my number one bully. But anyways, that's part of our journey and I am really happy and thankful to the Lord to be with you, to work with you in the pastoral ministry. And they are asked me to describe you. For me, yun nga, sabi ko, may number one bully and at the same time, a good collaborator. So, kahit lagi tayong nagsasagutan, ako yung number one kontrapelo niya po, pero we learn from each other. We listen from each other. Yun naman po talaga ang essence ng isang pastorele at isang tagasunod ni Jesus. So, at kayo po ay isang good shepherd. And we continue to pray for each other as we continue our journey to say yes to the Lord. So, magdasalan po tayong dalawa. And also, the sisters wants to greet you happy birthday and pinagdadasal ka din po nila. So, welcome ko nga po pala sa Diocese of Alaminos. Nandito na po ako. Welcome po kayo dito sa amin. So, if you have time, you can visit Sister Lolly, Sister Annie, and I here and we will welcome you. So, muli, happy birthday. God bless you. More birthdays to come.